Hey everyone, so today is Tuesday and I am back with quick, simple, and inexpensive fun ways to play and learn with tapes. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. First is to make a simple parallel line balance beam on the floor with the help of tape. Make a path for kids to follow. Simply let your kids crawl, walk, run on this balance beam. My kids love to crawl on this balance beam. And on this very track, get your kids' favorite toys and let her place them on the line. This teaches coordination when the child places the things very carefully on the space provided on the line you have provided that was drawn with the help of tape. In the next activity, I have fixed some toys on the table with the help of masking tape. Now the task is to save the animals by peeling off the tape. That's why we call this game as animal rescue. Placing a bin or basket within the approach encourages the kids to throw the tapes in it. As they peel the tape to rescue using fingers to gripping and pulling the tape, it is a great fine motor workout. You can change the theme to make things interesting and expose them to something new. You can use their blocks or another kind of toys or alphabets, anything you like or your kids like. Next one is sticking the balls on the wall. Stick the balls with the help of masking tape on any vertical surface like wall or a window, whatever you feel like comfortable. I have used very lightweight balls here because these are easy to stick with the help of masking tape. Deliberately, I have used masking tape because it is easy to peel off and it leaves no marks on the surface wherever it is placed. You'll ask the child to remove the balls and put them in a basket. And I suggest to use two separate baskets, one for the balls and one for the tapes. In this activity, I have placed long strips of tapes on the clean surface. I have used a tabletop, that activity table tape top that I used for many of the activities of my children. Both girls got their own pieces of tapes to peel. Peeling tape is a great workout. It is a great for fine motor skills development and it increases focus also. Very engrossing activity. And this beautiful easy concentration hack did wonders. I used a glittered blue colored tape and placed it in a zigzag manner on the glass door, and I took few stickers and gave them to my girls. I asked them to stick those stickers on the tape, and I also told them to make sure that the stickers should be placed only on the tape. It shouldn't go outside of the things. And it was fun. It was actually fascinating for my kids, and believe me, they were so much engrossed in the activity and they asked for more and more stickers. Again, change the pattern and get your child engaged for the good amount of time. I am planning to have waves or circle or any kind of shapes in future so that they get more and more of learning and fun time. And this is something that is all kind of permanent in the playroom. I taped different shapes on the floor, that is square, circle, triangle and rectangle, the basic shapes. It is up to you how creatively you can use these. Here I have cut paper shapes for kids to match the tape shape and a line on them, like circle shape on the circle tape, triangles on the triangle, rectangles on the rectangle and squares on the square. A good amount of fine motor workout, very good for concentration and increasing focus, and side by side they are learning shapes also. Another favorite thing is to walk, jump on shapes and put their favorite toy inside it. Like if you'll ask which one is the triangle, so the child will throw her favorite toy or doll or whatever the thing you will give to the child in that triangle only. Or you can ask, you can shout out for the shapes and you can call anything you want to. also lining animals on the periphery is also fun. Their favorite animals, like we have used dinosaurs over here. Next one is a kind of resist painting, that tape resist painting we normally do on canvas, but I have put this tape, masking tape, on paper. Kids had a great time painting on that very paper, and the masterpiece that came out when I peeled off the tape after drying, it was, fabulous. Isn't it a treasure? And here, a simple and inexpensive idea. You drive trucks, cars on the roads made with the tapes. I have made a track for kids, and plus we have used, the shapes for driving the train also. It brings a lot hours of fun and endless possibilities. We can also have a parking lot here at the end of the track. So viewers, these were cheap, versatile ideas loved by kids, and these can lead to a lot of fun while you develop their fine and gross motor skills. So with this, me Alka signing out. Please give a thumbs up to the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.